Oh no. Ryan. You gonna wear all of them, not just one. You wanna wear every single one, Ryan? Really? Say cheese.
Cheese.
Aww. Give mommy kissy. Give mommy kissy. Mwah. Dang you, Diddy. Hey guys, it's Traeh, and I'm back with my young. Hey guys, it's Traeh. Hey guys, it's Traeh. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys. Hey guys, it's Traeh, and I'm back with. You never let me do the intro. Hey guys. I think that triggers her. Hey guys, it's Traeh, and I'm back with my youngest daughter, Ryan. And today, I'm going to let her do her own hair. I know that sounds crazy. You're probably like, Traeh, she's one. How is she going to do her own hair? I don't know. But I've caught her. Hey, I'm talking. No, I'm talking. No, I'm talking. No, I'm talking. Okay. Can I talk first? Give me a kissy. Thank you. I've actually caught her trying to do her own hair. She would be trying to spray her hair and putting headbands on. So she's hip to the natural hair game, okay? So today we're going to be putting her skills to the test. And if you haven't already seen my oldest daughter do her hair, you definitely need to check that out right after this video. I'll link it down below. But yeah, I let my 7-year-old do her own hair. It was a success. So we're going to see how my 1-year-old does. Are you ready? You ready? You ready? There you go. You want to do, okay, do my hair. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Ah! You're going to do your own hair, okay? Spray your hair. Spray your hair. Look, do like this, look. I don't want to really spray my hair. Can't mess up this braid out, okay? Look. Work it in. Yeah, you want to do mine? Thank you. You messing me up, baby. Ooh. You gotta work it in. Say work it in. Yeah, work it in. Ooh, look. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, you got your curl in your eye? That's what happens when your bang's too long. It's okay. After you work it in, you need to apply your butter, okay? For some moisture, okay? Look, get some out. Yeah. Ooh. Put it in your hair. Yes, girl, moisturize it. Don't eat it. You like how it feels? Good job. Work it in. Thank you. Yes. Yes, girl. Moisturize and strand. You want to spray your hair again? You want to spray it again? Spray your hair. No, not my hair. You're supposed to be doing your hair. After you put the butter in, the moisturizer, you need to put some gel in there, okay? Can you put the gel in your hair? Can you do it? I'm scared. Yes. Put it in your hair. Good job. You get a comb and you get a brush. What you gonna do with it? You gonna use it as drums? That's not quite right. You want to do my hair. Why don't you want to do your hair? Thank you. Oh no, Ryan. You gotta oil your scalp. Yeah, you gonna oil your scalp? Good job. Yes. Yes. Good job, mommy. Do your hair. Are you ready for the fun part? Here, a bunch of headbands and bows. Do your thing. This is our favorite part, y'all. There you go. See, you got that. Ooh, that's pretty. I love the color combination you got going on. It kind of matches your dress. You don't want that one no more? Oh, okay. Wait, but that one is up. Oh, okay. You got it. You got it. You're going to wear all of them. Not just one. You want to wear every single one, Ryan? Really? Not that one? Ryan, really? You done? No? 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 Is it stuck? Is it stuck? Hold up. Let me help you. There you go. You really like that order, huh? Now you're not feeling it. Make up your mind. Make up your mind. Hold on. Let me help you. Here, look. Put this one on. Put this on. Look. That one's sparkly. Ooh. You want me to wear it? Oh. Okay. You want me to wear it? Why don't you wear it? Okay. Thank you. Thank you. I'm wearing gold, you know. I don't think that really matches with me, you know. You just want... Okay. Mommy's going to wear it, okay? You want Mommy to wear it? There we go. Thank you. Oh, you like it on me? Okay. You want to give me love? Oh, my gosh. Ryan. I actually don't think you did all too bad. You probably should have put some product in the back of your hair, but I really like the headband choices. You know, you got the color scheme going on, matching your shirt, your little dress. So, I think you did pretty good. Are you happy with it? You happy? Are you done? Are you done? 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 It's a look, sis. Give me kisses. I don't want the look. No, I don't want the look. Okay. You making me have the look? Oh, okay. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Stay still. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Rate Ryan's, hairstyle 1 to 5. Let us know how you think she did. And yeah, she's getting a little antsy, so you guys know that's the end of this video. Can you say bye? Mama. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Right, what are you doing? Alright y'all, so that's the end of this video. Give it a big thumbs up if you think Ryan did a good job. Let us know what other videos we should film together, and we'll see you guys in our next one. Bye guys. Say bye. Bye-bye. You're not getting more Oh my gosh. Oh, so you're mad. Oh, so everything comes off. Wow. You still have a headband on your head. You actually got 2. Yup. Nope. You ain't gonna find it. You ain't gonna find it. Let go.